how to delete TikTok repost at once. Now, there are only two ways to do this method. So let's start. Just pull up your TikTok app and then head over to your profile. Now, once you are on your profile, all you just have to do is press on the repost icon right here. Now, the first method to do is you can remove repost individually. To do that, just simply press on any repost you want to be removed and press on this share icon right here and then remove repost. So that's the first method. Second method is deleting it all at once. To do this, just press on the three lines at the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. You scroll down, go to report a problem. Then you scroll down again, then press submit a report. All you just have to type in is TikTok, please remove all my reposts. So this is actually the second way of doing this. TikTok will receive your request and they'll be the ones to automatically remove all those reposts at once. So that's how you remove TikTok reposts at once.